Hello everyone out there. I wish to have you watching again. On this clip, we have this number 5670 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5670, then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5670 by 2, which equals 2835. So 5670 divided by 2 equals 2835. Dividing 2835 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 2835 by 3, which equals 945. So 2835 divided by 3 equals 945. Dividing 945 by 3, which equals 315. So 945 divided by 3 equals 315. Dividing 315 by 3, which equals 105. So 315 divided by 3 equals 105. Dividing 105 by 3, which equals 35. So 105 divided by 3 equals 35. Dividing 35 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 35 by 5, which equals 7. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 5, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5670 are 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7, which can be written as 2 times 3 to the power 4 times 5 times 7. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Hit like, subscribe and share with your friends.